Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the ProLok number EWP-300-S stainless steel alarm lock wraparound plate, 5x14 in stainless steel. This is the package. I have it removed from the packaging here so we can take a look at it. This is going to be for the classic alarm lock series T2 and T3 locks. And the function holes that are prepped in the plate are exactly for those function of locks. This is 5x14. And by the way, the part number really infers all of the important details about it, and not excluding, of course, the dimensional properties. 5-inch wide, 14-inch tall. This is going to be specifically for an 1 3/4 door. It's going to have all of your function holes drilled specifically for that lock type, the T2 or T3, meaning it'll have the vertical distances correct, but of course the back set at 2 3/4 accurate as well. All of this that you see here is just the peel away protective film over the sheet of stainless. They obviously take a sheet of stainless steel, shear it to size. They'll do probably their laser cutting through the face, and then they'll likely bend it after giving it this sort of embossment down here for the latch bolt. Okay. Stainless steel. It is a solid stainless and a satin finish. See if I can peel away a small amount of that. Generally, when there's been laser cutting done, it will almost like cauterize the end of the peel away protective layer. Okay. Typical satin stainless steel in an brushed finish, satin finish. It's going to be type 304 stainless. The material thickness is .030, so 030 thickness. Therefore, it's not going to have a significant impact on the lock's ability to handle a door that's technically a 1/16 of an inch thicker than 1 3/4. Okay. This is going to include screws for the, you'll have a total of 6. You're going to have 4 longer ones to mount here and here. You'll have the 2 shorter 832 flat head machine screws for attaching the latch bolt directly to the edge of the plate via these insert nuts that are here. If you have a wood door and the door is damaged to the point, or the metal door is damaged to the point where you can't attach the latch to it, because it's destroyed, the material is gone, you screw it right to this, then take the whole assembly and get it down over the door. What I like to do is get that latch bolt, well, what I like to do is do a dry fit first. See how tight and nice and tight and down I can get this onto the door, and then test the door operation. Then get the latch bolt installed and see if I can mimic that same sort of smooth operation of the door. Make any adjustments necessary, chiseling, planing, whatever might be required to do it should be done. You don't want to install this and then have the door really not be able to close. I've even gone so far as taking that 32nd of an inch and routing the edge of the door down so this is flush with the edge of the door to get a tighter finish, which was required, has been required. So dry fit it, make your modifications, chisel the door, route the door, get the door kicked over, plane down to fit, then install your lock set. Now when I'm pre-drilling these screw holes, I like to draw that at a slight, like a 2-degree angle, 1-degree angle, so that when the flat head of the screw hits the face of this, it acts to draw it back and nice and tight over the edge of the door, rather than running it this way, which might then force it to be pushed out a little bit, which is not what you want at all. Okay, the idea of a door reinforcer like this is certainly not one that's ordered for new installations. They're ordered when a door has been damaged, vandalized, broken, intentionally, unintentionally, and the concept is to salvage the lock and salvage the door. And people will suffer the look of a longer rectangular plate on the door rather than replace the door. You might be installing one of these to simply get longer life out of a door. And it's an inexpensive way to do that. It's just simply the bottom line. Okay, the name ProLok is synonymous with door reinforcing plates, actually. But that's not their primary line. There's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all the ProLock products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, along with a link to the full Armor catalog is what it is called. The Armor catalog is going to show you door reinforcing plates like this, latch guards, latch protectors, and then a variety of security hardware used on doors and windows. Some interesting things there that you might not be able to find. ProLock seems to have picked up some items that have otherwise become discontinued. Sliding patio door locks would be an example of what I'm referring to. So refer to their catalog and navigate through it and at least familiarize yourself with it. There's also a product catalog, just product catalog. That is their primary line, which is their locksmithing tools. The ProLock Blue Punch is an item that I have, or their key cutting punch is an item that I have personally used for years successfully. A variety of other locksmithing tools and security hardware that pertains just to the locksmithing industry that's going to be sold by people that make a living keeping people's doors and locks running smoothly. Locksmithing tools. That punch of theirs, I forget the part number, it's BP201, that blue punch for punching keys. I've really used that thing forever and ever, and it's a great, great tool. There is, outside of that, there is some other links that might be of interest to you on the manufacturer's page, such as a link to the Blue Punch product catalog, some videos that they have posted, along with, again, that link to the manufacturer's website. If you have any questions on the ProLock, their number EWP-300-C, stainless steel door reinforcing wraparound plate for the Alarm Lock T2 or T3 lock sets or any other ProLock product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.